Hello everyone, welcome to this video and welcome to my channel. I'm Ryan and today we are here with another tutorial in Illustrator. Today we want to learn how to warp a text like a bend or distort. Let's jump into the program, and the very first thing we need here is to just create a text. I'm just creating a text. For example, I'm just writing subscribe. I needed a long word, so I'll use this. And now maybe I just need to make it bigger. Okay, maybe a little bit more. Okay, as well. Then you should be careful that there are lots of ways, and in this video I'm just using two ways of distorting or two ways of warp. So at first, click on your layer, click on the text you want to choose, and then go to the effect panel on the top of the screen and go to the warp, and here is a list you can use to warp your text. You can use all of them and try to predict what they do on their name. For example, the first one is arc, and you can imagine what it will do. And after clicking on one of them, you can have an options here. There is a window that you can change any of these settings here. So at first here we have a style you can change. They are kind of similar to the list we have seen some seconds ago. Here you can change this style, and you can change the horizontal or vertical effect. Okay, I just need the horizontal, and then here is the bend. You can change it based on what you need. And then here is the distortion panel that you can also change the horizontal and vertical effect. So let's test both of them. You see that how is this effect. So when you reach the best settings for you, you can click on OK, and here is the effect applied to it. So let's check another one. I'm just using the Ctrl Z on my keyboard and then going to effect, warp, and then I'm going to use the, for example, flag. Okay, here is the flag. It's changed to flag. Here we have bend again. Okay, you can change all of them. So let's go to another way. Here in the effect panel, you can find the distort and transform, and the first one is free distort. So click on it, and here is a free distort for you. You can use these four dots which appeared in this new window to change or distort our text. I'm just using this dot to change this. Okay, you can create whatever you like from this dot. Okay, and then click on OK. And here is the result, and you can see it's very easy to do. So it was two easy ways to use warp or bend or even distortion in Illustrator, and you can use them on your projects based on your creativity. So again, this video is over. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. If you have any question, just tell me in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.